If you want to create a project tracking spreadsheet in Google Sheet, stick around. I'll show you how this is done. First, select the cell B3 right underneath draft and then go Insert Checkbox. This will introduce a checkbox. Now we're going to put checkbox right across each column here. You hold Ctrl+C and then move to the next cell, Ctrl+V to paste it, and paste it, and paste it, and paste it. Once that's done, let's move to progress bar here. Use this formula. Okay, let's dissect the formula a bit here. Let's go inside here. As you can see, the first argument on the Sparkline function is the COUNTIF. It basically checks if that particular cell's checkbox is checked, right? And the second set of argument on the Sparkline function describes the bar chart. If you look at the first one, it say chart type bar, which means it's a bar type of a bar chart. And then the second one describes maximum of 5. The reason why I have 5 is because I got 5 checkbox here. Let's say, for example, if you have 3 checkbox, you change this number to 3. And the last argument here on these curly braces says green, which means I'm going to draw a green colored bar chart. Okay, so once that's done, you're going to highlight and apply to the rest of the row by doing just like that. Okay, once that's done, if you start putting check mark next to the checkbox, you can see that the bar chart starts to grow towards 100%.